Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I will show you a secret Windows feature that lets you copy and paste multiple items at the same time using Clipboard History. Normally, you can only copy one thing at a time. To unlock more, press the Windows key plus V on your keyboard. If it's your first time using this, click Turn On. This allows Windows to remember a list of items you've copied recently. Now, let's copy these three different lines of text separately using Ctrl plus C. To see everything you copied, press Windows key plus V again. Just click any item in the list to paste it exactly where you need it. You can even pin items you use frequently so they stay in your history even after you restart your PC. If you want to turn off Clipboard History, then go to Settings, then select System, scroll down all the way till you see Clipboard. Here, you can go to Clipboard History and then just toggle the switch to off. You also have the option to clear the clipboard data by pressing the Clear button. It's a simple feature that makes multitasking much easier. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Libretechia for more reachable tech tips. I'll see you in the next video.